afternoon, my dear children. I welcome you back to this social class. Okay, in this video, you're going to learn about lesson number 12. What is the topic of the lesson? The topic of the lesson is the food we eat. The food we eat. Okay, we're going to learn lesson number 12. Okay. What we are going to learn about in this lesson is about the pulses and the vegetables, food grains, okay, and oil seeds and spices. Okay, you're going to learn about the different types of foods we eat. Okay, yes. The in India, okay, we use different types of food grains, and it is also grown in different parts of the country also. Okay, and for example, Jammu and Kashmir is known for apples, and Punjab and Haryana is famous for wheat and mustard, and Uttar Pradesh is famous for sugarcane, rice and mangoes, and Bihar is famous for mangoes and rice. Okay, all these things denotes about only one point. The point is the climate. Okay, the climate decides whether the cold or hot. Okay, yes. For example, in northern side it gets snowfall. Near Himalayas it will get snowfall, and so it will be very hot during the year, and some or like southern part will be always hot, isn't it? Yes, this shows that the climate decide what food is grown in that place. Okay, yes. First, we learn about the food grains. What are food grains? Food grains are nothing but the seeds. These are the seeds of the plants that are used for food. Okay. For the example of food grains are the rice, wheat, and maize, jowar, etc. These are the examples of food grains. Okay. Yes. You can look at the picture. Okay, many food grains are grown in our country. Which of these do you like the most? You can look at the picture. What are the food grains in these pictures? See, rice, bajra, wheat, jowar, maize and ragi. These are the food grains which are grown in our country. Okay, yes. Mostly in northern part of India, what do they eat? They eat only wheat. Okay, they prefer to eat wheat, and in south part they eat rice, and in western India they eat more jowar. See, look at this is the jowar, and bajra. These are famous in western India. Okay, wheat is mostly eaten in northern states, while jowar and bajra in the western states, and rice primarily in the eastern and southern states. Okay, yes. Next we learn about the pulses. What are pulses? Pulses, you can look at the picture. See, pulses are of different types. See, this is a chickpea, this is a kidney beans, this is the urad, soya bean, green gram and black gram. These are the examples of pulses. Okay, and kidney beans or otherwise, okay, this is the kidney beans. This kidney beans is otherwise called as rajma. Okay, rajma. And this black gram, you can look at the picture. This black gram is otherwise called kala chana. Okay, kala chana. Yes. Okay, yes. And next we move on to the vegetables and fruits. Okay, vegetables, We get vegetables and fruits in different seasons, and vegetables such as green beans and pumpkins are available. It also grows according to the climatic. We have already said that the climate decides what food is grown, isn't it? Yes. Green beans and pumpkins are available in summer. What about winter? Cabbages and peas. Cabbages and peas are available in winter. Not only vegetables, we can learn fruits also depends upon the climate, isn't it? Yes. Fruits such as mangoes, cherries and watermelons are available in summer. And while grapes and oranges are available in winter. Okay, yes. Next, we move on to the oil, seeds and spices. Oil, seeds and spices. Okay, yes. Many kinds of oils and spices are used in Indian cooking. Not only one oil. Oils, many different types of oils are used. Oil is obtained from seeds of mustard, coconut, linseed, groundnut. Okay. Oil is obtained from seeds of mustard, coconut, linseed and groundnut. Okay. Nowadays people also use canola oil, olive oil and soya beans oils is also used for cooking. Okay, yes. And many kinds of spices all are also grown and used in India. Okay, you can look at the picture. You can look at the picture, page number 77. These are for some examples of spices. What are they? Can look at the picture. For example, this is the cumin seeds. These are the spices. What are spices which add a flavor and taste, aroma to the dishes. Okay, these are some few spices names. What are they? They are cumin seeds, cinnamon, black pepper, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cardamom, cloves and bay leaves. Okay, these are some few examples of spices. Okay, yes. Many kinds of spices are grown in India. Many kinds of spices are grown in India. Okay, yes, they make the food tasty and also colorful. Okay, they make the food tasty and also colorful. Okay, you had to learn the spices names. It will be easy to learn. Okay, yes. Next we move on to the sweet dishes. India is famous for sweets, isn't it? Many kinds of sweets are made here. Many kinds of sweets are made here. And about sweet dishes, it will be told that each region in India has its special sweet. Okay, for example, rasagulla and payasam, shikhand, prini, kotpita, gajar ka alwa and gaju katli are some sweets that people like. Okay, these are the sweets. If you do not know what are your sweets, you can go to the Google and you can check. You can put the sweets name. It will be displayed in your mobile. Okay, you can check how, if you're eager to know how it look, you can go to the Google and check it out. Okay, yes, every state has its own special sweets, and there are some sweets which are made on special occasions also. Okay, and it is occasions like festivals and weddings also. Okay, yes. Next we move on to transportation of foodstuff. All crops are not grown in every state of India. this is about the transportation. Okay, it will be that all the food grains, pulses, vegetables and fruits we have learned how, isn't it? It's all to the um, climatic conditions. Okay, isn't it? We have learned. So everywhere it will not grow everywhere. All the fruits will not grow in everywhere. Okay, so they can reach to different places. For example, in Jammu and Kashmir, apples are grown large in Jammu and Kashmir. If you want in Tamil Nadu, how it can come? Only through the transport system. For that, transportation is very, very important. Okay, yes. A good system of transportation makes this possible. Okay, all crops are not grown in every states of India. So, how do they reach a place where they are not grown? Through the transportation. Okay, India has a well-developed system of transport. Okay, India has well-developed system of transport, and what are the how it's transported through trucks, trains and aeroplanes take things from one place to another. Trucks, trains and aeroplanes. Okay, and there are many people who do not get even enough food. Okay, yes, these are the main transport of foodstuffs. Okay, the transport of foodstuff, it's very simple. In all crops are not grown in every places. Okay, every state of India. So they have to be export and import are done inside the India. Okay, for example, I have already told, in Jammu and Kashmir it's famous for its apples, isn't it? Apples. But if in Tamil Nadu we need it is exported. Okay, it is exported. Yes, only through the, it's possible only through the transport. Okay, yes. Okay, children, this is all about. Okay, this lesson gets over, and it's very simple lesson. Okay, we learned about, just to for a summarize, just for summarizing your lesson, what we have learned. We have learned about the different types of pulses, vegetables and fruits, isn't it? Yes. Okay, and also we learned about the food grains, oil seeds and spices, isn't it? Yes. What are the states which are famous for? Jammu and Kashmir is famous for apples and cherries and saffron. Punjab and Haryana is famous for wheat and mustard. Uttar Pradesh is famous for sugarcane and rice and mangoes. And West Bengal is famous for rice and mangoes. And Bihar, mangoes, lychee and rice. Okay, that's it. Okay. In this lesson, we have learned about the pulses, vegetables and fruits. Okay, and also about the climate. All these things depends upon the climate. Okay, the main thing is the climate decides what food is grown in that place. According to the climate, the food or the grains will grow in that place. Okay, that's it for today, children. And for your homework, just go through either true or false and choose the correct answer and filling the blanks. Go through the question and prepare well for your half-yearly exam. That's it for today, children. Thank you.